Here's the earnings yield on the S&P 500. It's currently at a historically low level, just over 3.8%. If you take that yield and subtract the yield you get on a 3-month Treasury bill, you get the spread between the two. And right now, it's negative, sitting at a 23-year low. That means the stock market earns a lower yield than short-term treasuries, which currently return around 4.3%. So Buffett's massive cash pile could be seen as the world's biggest rainy day fund, a safety net for a crash just like we're seeing now. But there's another reason to have a bunch of cash on hand, and that's to bag an elephant. Well, that's how Buffett puts it. He calls Berkshire Hathaway's cash pile his elephant gun, ready to fire when he sees his chance to buy a large company that meets his high standards. He has indicated that he's in the market for such an elephant, and it's been a few years since Berkshire's last major acquisitions during the 2022 bear market. According to Berkshire's 13F filings, Buffett deployed over $50 billion into stocks in 2022, one of his most aggressive buying sprees since 2008. He scooped up shares in Ally Financial, Chevron, Occidental Petroleum, and other companies as the market dropped. The recent market plunge might just be the opportunity Buffett was waiting for to snatch up some deals or make a big acquisition. Historically, he thrives in such environments, as seen in 2022 or in 2008 with his Goldman Sachs deal. He waited for a moment of extreme fear to bet on fundamentally strong businesses, but some sources indicate he might be holding off, waiting for lower prices or a clearer economic outlook. For instance, Business Insider notes that Buffett's followers expect he may require a larger market drop to make significant purchases, and his actions suggest caution due to concerns about Trump's tariffs, which are the biggest since the 1930s. Steve Hank, an economic professor, suggests Buffett's next move will signal his view on the economy. Whatever Buffett plans to do with Berkshire's $334 billion in savings, ride out a downturn or acquire a company, it's reasonable to expect that it will fall in line with his time-tested philosophy. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful.